Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see the next class of minimization of DFA with unreachable state. Unreachable state. This is example 3, and we will use the new method. The second method is Myhill Nerode Theorem, or in simple words we can say this is table filling method also. Okay, so today we are going to see this. Okay, next, this example I am going to take to solve the Myhill Nerode theorem or table filling method with the same this is a normal means all reachable, all is reachable. Like see here, can you see A to B is going, B to A is going, okay, coming, and every edge is connected and every edge is reachable. But if you go to the like next, here I draw the example here. Okay, here this G is unreachable. How can I say that G is unreachable? How can I say this G is unreachable? Means, in simple word, if you want to see which state does not have any incoming edge, that means that is a unreachable state. Example, here G, can you see G has two outgoing 0 0 and is going to E, and G is going to F. Okay, but here but on G no incoming, just only outgoing. That means if you solve this all graph also, you cannot reach the G. Because of that, this is unreachable. DFA with unreachable. Okay, DFA with unreachable. Here should be 1. Fine. So this is a thing. Okay, DFA G is unreachable. So with, if we have the unreachable state in our graph, even though if you go to the first method, what was the first method? First method was partition method, we used to say that. Okay, partition method or equivalence method. Okay, second method is for minimization, Myhill Nerode theorem or table filling method is going to see today. So whenever we have like this, you must not include this state. So for that, I am erasing this. This is unreachable. Okay, this is unreachable. Sorry. Sorry. Here we need to select with this, delete. Okay, so this is our graph. Okay, this is a DFA. Okay, and with the help of this we need to solve with the help of Myhill Nerode theorem or table filling method. So here in the table filling method, it has some steps. Okay, what are the steps? We will see here. Here some of the steps are there. Step 1, draw a table for all pair of state P comma Q not necessarily connected directly, all are unmarked initially. So this, sorry, this is graph I drawed A B C D E F, A B C D E F, all the states are here, A B C D E F. So all the state here. So P and Q, consider this is P and this is Q. Okay, P and Q. Fine. First one is finish, and all initially is unmarked initially. So I did not mark anything, so this is empty. Next, second step, consider every state pair P comma Q in the DFA with P belongs to final state and Q does not belongs to final state, or vice versa, and mark them here. F is the state of final state. Okay, so here P or Q, if any one is reaching the final state, so here what are the final states? C, D and E is a final state, and A, B, F is normal state. So here we need to check, okay, DFA where P belongs to F and Q does not belongs to F. Anyone here you can see P, P or Q, Q, or vice versa, and more than here F is a state of final, set of final state. Okay, so for that, if can you see here, we have the graph like this, but we are getting the double value, like from A to B is going, okay, A to B is going is 0, A to B is here and B to A. So here the both the values are coming same, okay, here A to B or B to A. In the table form there will be a problem for that. So for that reason we should take a diagonal, okay, this is a diagonal, and upper half should be removed from this graph, okay, upper half should be removed from this table, okay, from this table. So let's see here, in this format we need to do, okay, upper, this is a diagonal, okay, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E and F, F is a diagonal, and here the upper part is removed, diagonal and the upper part is removed, because A, B or B, A will be the same, just we need to mark it, tick, we need to mark the tick, because of that we make this in this format, okay. So we need to fill in this, we need to remove upper part, okay. So I will copy this, I will copy this and I will paste here. Okay, and I will delete this. So fine. Okay, in this way we need to complete the task. Okay, and here just we need to mark the tick if there is a connection, in which method it should be a connection with this step. What is this step? If P belongs to F or Q belongs to F, this we need to check here. Okay, fine. Now first, A to B, is there any connection? Yes. And B to A, yes, there is a connection between them. Okay, okay, so here from A to B, what is this? A is a normal state, B is also a normal state, okay. But what we are telling, as per this steps, as per this step we are telling P belongs to F or Q belongs to F. So here both are not, any one of this is not a final state, so we should not mark here, empty. Next is A to, sorry, next one is C. From C to F, C to F, is there any connection? Yes, C to F is connection, and here both, this one, can you see C to F, C to F is connection, and one is a final state and another one is a normal state. That means C comma F, okay, C comma F should be marked. Okay, so here as I told you, C to F we need to mark, but here only C has A, B only. Okay, so for that reason we need to check the data in this. Means first we need to complete A. From A to B is 0, both are normal, should not mark. C, A to C, is there any connection? Yes, there is a connection, and one is a final state and another one is a normal state. That means it is, this second condition is satisfied. Any one of this belongs to final state. Okay, yes. Next one is C comma B. C comma B, is there any connection between C comma B? There is no connection between C comma B, but both are, one is a final state and another one is a non-final state. That means this also should be marked. Okay, this also should be marked, because here no connection, but there is one final state and one is normal state. Okay, next, A comma D, is there any connection between A comma D? No, but here is a final state and A is a normal state. That means this is also satisfied. Means we need to mark the tick as per these steps. Okay, repeat this step until we cannot mark any more state. If there is an unreachable pair P comma Q, mark if it is pair. This is the next one. So repeat until we get the cannot mark any more state. So we need to repeat again and again. Okay, now D comma B, is there any connection between DB? Yes, as well as it is a final state and non-final state. So this also a, you need to mark the tick. Okay, next one is D comma C. Is there any connection between D comma C? No, but can you see this is also final state, this is also final state, but we don't want like this. We want any one of the state should be one normal state and one is final state. So you no need to mark here. Okay, you no need to mark here. You no need to mark here in D comma C. Okay, next, E comma A, means A comma E. Is there any connection between A to E? No, but can you see this is a final state and this is a normal state. That means you need to mark here tick. Okay, A comma E. Next, E comma B, is there any connection between E, B? No, but this is final, this is normal state and this is final state. Then tick mark. As per this condition we are marking them. Okay, E to C, EC, both are final state, you should not mark. Okay, you should not mark the tick because both are final state. ED should also not mark because both are the final state. So this is no marking. Okay, next, A to F. A to F both are normal state. If we both are the normal state, you should not mark the tick. Okay, next, B and F also both are normal state, equal. Okay, normal state. So here also should not be tick mark. Next, F comma C. In this both, C is a final state and this is a non-final state. That means the combination is okay. Then tick mark. F and C. C is a final state and F is a normal state. Then we mark the tick. Next, F comma D. here this is a normal state and this is the final state. We need to mark the tick. F and E, F and E, yes, F is a normal state and E is a final state. So here we mark the tick. So now we finish the table, we finish the any more state we cannot do now. If there is unreachable pair P comma Q, mark it if the pair delta P comma A comma delta Q comma A or X. Okay, here X P comma X or Q comma X is marked for the some input. So here how to do this? This you need to do. Here we need to write. Delta, okay, delta P comma X, what is the answer, and delta Q comma X, what is the answer. Means what is X? X is a sigma, okay, X is a sigma, 0 or 1. So we will solve this, okay. So I will take eraser and fine. Okay. So here we need to check in the table what are the unmarked. Unmarked is AB, DE, EC and ED and FA and FB. So we need to do with this pattern, okay, and you need to find is there any number which is already marked here, is that next state is coming that or not. Means if P on 0 means what is P? A. So here we need to take A comma, what is the unreachable state? AB. So A comma 0, B comma 0, okay. What are the remaining pairs are there? I am writing here A comma B, okay. Next one is D comma C, and next one is E comma C, okay, and next is E comma D, and the next one is F comma A or A comma F, or B comma F. Okay, B. So this is B comma F. So this 6 are the empty cell from the table. So first I am taking A comma B. So A on 0, where it is going? A on 0 is going to B, and B on 0, where it is going to A, okay. The next is, this is B comma A. So in the same way you need to do, delta A comma 1, okay, A comma 1, and delta B comma 1. If it is there, so where it is going? A comma 1 is going to C, and b comma 1 is going to d. Okay, where it is going a comma b. So here the thing is, whatever the answer you are getting, a comma b, what are the a comma b is a normal state. So forget about this, no need to mark. Okay, a comma 1, b comma 1, a on 1 is going to c and b on 1 is going to d. That means both are the final state. So forget about this. We need to find any combination which reflect this one, any normal state going to the final state or does not belongs to. There will be a connection between that or there is no connection. Then only we need to mark in this table. Okay, take the next one. What is the next one? DC. Okay, D comma 0 and C comma 0. So here where it is going D on 0 is going to E and C on 0 is also going to E. Both are final state. So this is also not valid. Delta D comma 1 and C comma 1. So where it is going, if D on 1 is going to F, D on 1 is going to F and C on 1 is going also F. F, this is both the same. So this will also not accept, this will also not accept. Next one, go to the next. Delta, what is the next one? This also we finish. EC, E comma C means E on 0 and delta C on 0. E on 0 where it is going to E itself and C on 0 is also going to E. Okay, fine. Next, delta E on 1 and delta C on 1. So where it is going E on 1 is going to F and C on 1 is also going to F. So this will also not accept because this condition is not satisfying. Okay, fine. Next, delta, what is the next one now? E comma D, E comma 0, where it is going delta D comma 0, where it is going. We need to check this. E on 0 is going to E and D on 0 is also going to E only. So this is also not satisfied, the condition. Delta E on 1, delta D on 1. So what is E on 1? If E on 1 is going to F and D on 1 is also going to F. So this also will not accept. Okay, next. So here I will just make it in down. Okay. Next is AF. Okay, AF. So this one delta, now you can get clarified. AF, A comma 0 and delta F comma 0, where it is going A comma 0. A comma 0 is going to B and F comma 0, where it is going to F only. Okay, next, delta A comma 1, okay, and delta f comma 1. Where it is going a comma 1? A comma 1 is going to C. This is a final state. F comma 1 is going to F. So check here. Here you can see C, this one is accepting. Why it is accepting? C is final state, yes. F is normal state. That means if you solve this method in this manner, then here AF, this will be tick. When we are taking AF, okay, when we are taking this one AF, then we are getting the answer with satisfying this condition, okay, belongs to or does not belongs to, is satisfying. So at that time we need to mark the tick, okay, fine. So did you understand this? Once again I will repeat this. Delta a comma 0, now we are doing for AF. A comma 0, when A on 0 is going to B, okay. When F on 0 is going to F. This both are normal state. Go to here, delta A comma 1 is, answer is C. When A on 1 is going to C, when F on 1 is going to F. So here C is a final state and F is a normal state here. Then the condition is satisfied and we mark the tick, okay. Okay, I am making down. Okay, next. Here delta, what is the next one? Next one is FB, okay. What is the next one? Next one is BF or FB. Here BF, okay. So take B comma F, B comma 0 and delta F comma 0. Where it is going? B comma 0 is going as per this table. B comma 0 is going to A and F comma 0 is going to F. So both are normal state, okay. Next, delta B comma 1 delta F comma 1. So B comma 1, what is B comma 1? When B on 1 is going to D, when F on 1 is going to F only. So this also satisfy. Why it is satisfy? D is a final state and F is a normal state. So here we need to take the mark, okay. Did you understand this? Whenever we are getting one final state and another one is a normal state, even if it is belongs to final state or does not belongs to final state, then you need to mark the box, okay. So this is, we completed the table. Now go to the steps. Here what is the last step after pairing all this? What we need to do is step 4, combine all the unmarked pair P comma Q and make them a single state in reduced DFA or minimization of DFA. Now we need to minimize the DFA. So here, as per this, what are the remaining, as per this table, what are the remaining we have now? We have A comma B and D comma C, okay. Here just check this table, D comma C, and next one is E comma C, and what is the next one? E comma D, E comma D. So this is the combinations, what are the pairs are left in the table. So here we need to make, okay, here in this table we need to see the pairs. Where is the pair? A comma B. A comma B is here. Okay, next D comma C. D comma C is here. Okay, next E comma C. So this is E comma C. Next E comma D. So E comma D. E comma D. So this is the remaining part in the table. Okay, remaining part in the table. So here we need to make, what is there any confusion here in A and B? We don't have any confusion, this is separate. So make A here, I will write A B is a one state. Okay, A comma B is one state. Next, here can you see this, there are so many combinations are here. So for that reason we need to see D on C, DC, and D is with E also and E is with C also. So this is all are combined. So what we need to do here, we need to combine all the unmarked pair P comma Q and make them a single state in DFA. So here the next is, and can you see B, it's going to D on 1, A on 1 is going to C. So here we need to take C, D, E, and as well as these three are the same final state, so you need to mark as a final state also. And here from A to D or C is going on 1, is going on 1, and A on B is going to 0. Okay, so this is, so this is A on 0 is going to AB, and AB is on 1 is going to CDE, anyone. Okay, as per this table is going to CDE. Okay, next is, can you see here the remaining is F. From C to F, C on 1 is going to F, D on 1 is going to F, E on F, E on 1 is going to F. That means when CDE is on 1 is going to F, is going to F. Okay, is going to F, is going to F. So here when CDE on 1 is going to F, now we need to check the F. F on 0 or 1 is going to F only. So here we need to draw, okay, 0 comma 1. So this is your final answer, and this is a minimization, okay, minimization of DFA. So this is your final answer. Clear? So this is a thing we discussed here. This is simple, don't be get confused. In the first method we did the partition or equivalent method, you can say. In the second one is Myhill Nerode Theorem or table filling method. Okay, first we need to make an empty draw table. Then after empty table, we need to see the graph, and in that the step should be followed here, and any one of the final state should be there. So then only we need to mark the tick. This all black is we got from the graph. Okay, in the table, can you see the black ticks? That is we got from the graph. And red, after solving here in the step 3, after finishing the graph, you need to check here with the help of this method. We need to find all possible solutions, all the possible states, and we got the 2 states with this method, and we finished, we mark the tick. After finishing this, we need to check the empty fourth step, combine all the unmarked pair p comma q and make them a single state in the reduce. Okay, in the reduce. So here the remaining cells are a comma b, d comma c, e comma c and e comma d. And here we check the combination. Here all these 3 are together, so then only because of that we took the c, d, e, and f is same. When a comma b on 0 is going to a comma b only, when b on 1 and a on 1 is going to c, d. Okay, d, c, d, e on 1 is going to f. Okay, in the f, if it is f on 0 comma 1, and we forget to do here. Okay, we forget to do here. What we forgot the 0. Can you see this 0? D on 0 is going to E, C on 0 is going to E, and E on 0 is going to 0. So here also it should come 0. Okay, then finally we got the minimization of DFA. This is the second method. Hope you understand. Okay, thank you. So this is the final. Wait, this is your final answer. Okay, thank you.